Eat Sutukil by the beach, an episode of series, The 6 Top Things to Do in Oslob, Philippines. Cebuanos like their food simple and unadorned. Pork? Roast it on a spit with a few local herbs and you have the famous Cebu lechon. Take the skin, broil it till it's crisp and you have chicharon. Seafood? That's where 3 syllables come in, Sutukil, which stand for 3 different methods of cooking. Su is for sugba, or to grill, shrimp, squid, pork belly and tilapia are favorite grilled meats in Cebu. Tu is for tula, or stew. Cebuanos are partial to stewed Spanish mackerel, tanigue, and chicken. Kil is for kilaw, or to cook in vinegar in a similar way to ceviche. Spanish mackerel blossoms wonderfully when marinated in vinegar and coconut milk. Oslob suits adventurous eaters who want to enjoy their Sutukil by the beach. Brumini Bed and Beach Resort in Barangay Tan-Awan hosts a row of Sutukil stalls where you can pick from their meats on hand and have them cooked the way you like them, served with plenty of white rice.